All right, I got the Sandy started. Took a little bit of go. It took about 5 minutes to get the thing started. I mean, it wasn't the battery. It was just cold. Today we are going down to my son's piece of property next door. We got some septic tank holes that we gotta drill or dig. I can turn on some heat, get the heater going. Nice to have a indoor cab. Oh, we're moving slow today. more holes. I'm gonna move some of this brush around over here. We got our holes dug. Let me show you these holes. Finally got our holes dug. That's a little sandy. I love it. We only got to go down 36, 40 inches. Septic design, they want 40 inches, so I'll show you what we got. We got a hole there, a hole here, and one way back in here. So, nearest neighbor's house is over there. Still quite a ways away. The house itself, can't really tell because it's just all wooded, but see if I can describe it to you here. It's up in this little area. Gonna be. That's where the house will be. But for now, I want to get this tree. I just pushed this tree over. It's a little older, maybe, 30 years old or so. But we will haul that out of here and cut up some firewood down here. I got the heater on in here because it's cold. It's like 30 degrees out here this morning. So turn the heater down a little. It's warm inside this cab. Back up a little. Missed my hole. And now I can swing this around. Hopefully without hitting you guys. All right, now let's maneuver out of this spot. I'll move that tree over here, log. Too close. There we go. Crawl down here a little bit. Not too far off the ground. I don't like to struggle with the chainsaw. That one's in the dirt. I gotta lift it a little. All right. No use hitting a rock. Go to the other side. One more. I don't want to hit my bucket. All right, I'll drop it. See if I can't place it on top of some logs here. There you go. That'll work. That'll work. Good. Look at that. Neighbor man can have them. All right. I'm gonna go with, grab that and move it back. Wow. Well, came out pretty good. I graded this all off, as you hopefully saw. And yeah, the property line comes through here, underneath my bucket there, down to, there's a big stag down there. I don't know if you can see it down in this area right here, but stag's just a dead stump sticking up, and it runs right through here, pretty much where this blue ribbon is. Up and over, and then down towards Henning's neighbor's house. Yeah, see, there's the property line right there, corner. It's way down in there, right in this area. Blue, there's a blue stake down there. So, yeah, it's quite a, from the fence all the way down to here, it's pretty big. But yeah, this is where the drain field's gonna be, up in this little ridge. And then the land slopes off down this way, probably 20 feet. And then it raises up. So that's gonna come down a little bit. This is gonna get filled in a little bit, hopefully. And yeah, we'll move it along. But first things, they gotta come out and inspect our holes. That's good soil. Those will perk. It's good sandy loam. That's good sandy loam. It's not hard pan. So, yeah, moving on. All right, signing off on a sunny Sunday in January. Still cold out here. I love this tractor though. Tiny. Look at all that took down. I can mow this now. Mow this all the way to the new driveway that he's gonna put in. Just a small little ridge here. We can put some plantings or something over here. Probably take that tree down. Stupid. Ugly. I'll take these two down too. Just ugly. All those trees, all that greenery trees, all those are going down. All gonna get wiped down. Nothing standing that can fall on the house. All right. You guys have a great day.